Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best Rearview drive recorders. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is UHD 4K Dual Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name, Cam. Aperture, 1.8. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, IPS. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Number of lenses, 2. Display size, 3 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Weight, 500 grams. Number 4 on our list is 4K Wi-Fi touchscreen dual dash cam. Specifications: brand name, Cam. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Display, IPS. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3-5. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Number of lenses, 2. Weight, about half a kilogram. Number 3 on our list is Axio 4K Car DVR Mirror Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name, Axio. Maximum video frame rate, 30. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 9.88 inches. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Number of lenses, 2. Number 2 on our list is Tiger F7NP 4K Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name, Red Tiger. Aperture, f1.55. Weight, 0.7 kilograms. Display, LCD. View angle, 130 to 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video format, MP4. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Interface, USB 2.0, Type-C. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Frames per second, 25. Number 1 on our list is Cam ZD47 Car DVR Recorder. Specifications: brand name, Cam. Aperture, 1.8. Pixels, 500 mega. Display, IPS. Display size, 3 inches. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 170 degrees. Number of lenses, 2. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Weight, 0.65 kilograms.